11 p.m. Thursday night, two blasts rocked this crowded area in Hyderabad's Dilsukh Nagar. The blasts happened near the Venkatadri and Konark theatres. A crowded bus stand just a stone's throw away as panic gripped the area. These were the signs of carnage.
We are here at one of the explosion sites here in Dilsukh Nagar in Hyderabad. You can see there are glass pieces here that have come out because of that, as a fallout of that explosion. There is a lot of police bandobast around. In fact, you can see there, I can also tell you that there are the clues team here, the forensic teams here, along with sniffer dogs around to verify or to really take care of the situation, to secure this entire location.
मैं वो टेंशन में वो पूरा टुकड़ा देखे वार को पूरा बेवर्स हो गए मैं मेरे कुछ भी नहीं मालूम कौन लेकर गया कौन वहाँ ट्रीटमेंट दिया मेरे कुछ भी नहीं मालूम
16 patients came after bomb blast for treatment in our hospital. 15 have been admitted in various ICUs. Doctors are treating them with all our equipment and all our expertise.
Just a short while after the blasts came an admission from the Union Home Minister himself. The government knew of a possible attack for the past 2 days but had no specific information.
सर आपने बोला था कि किसी तरह की इंफॉर्मेशन थी जो 2 दिन से सरकार के पास थी किस तरह की
हम पूरे देश में हमारे पास जो इनपुट आ गया है हम सब शहरों में और सब राज्यों को हम इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहे हैं
Police say one bomb may have been placed on a cycle, another in a tiffin box. The intensity was high and the death toll could rise. The Andhra Chief Minister was quick to visit the site and appeal for calm.
We condemn the barbaric act. This is only to disturb the peaceful living of all communities in Hyderabad and Andhra Pradesh.
A local team of the National Investigating Agency too managed to reach the spot and retrieve crucial evidence. A joint NIA and Intelligence Bureau team has also been rushed from Delhi.
Mecca Masjid in May 2007, Lumbini Park and Gokul Chaat blast in August 2007, and now twin blasts here in Dilsukh Nagar in 2013. While the central government did open a unit of the National Investigating Agency here in Hyderabad, the fact that at least 12 people have lost their lives here today casts serious questions on whether any lessons have been learned from previous blast cases and why and how does Hyderabad continue to remain a soft target. With camera person Venkatesh in Hyderabad, Preeti Singh. 12 dead and more than 50 injured, and that death toll is expected to rise given the fact that this area is considered one of the crowded centers of Hyderabad. While the Home Minister has said that central investigating agencies would be sending reinforcements here for further investigations, you can really see various investigating agencies like the NIA, the NSG Commando team, as well as the AP Center, the regional octopus team here here working out forensics, working out evidence here. They are collecting evidence. In fact, this is one of the 2 explosion sites here at Dilsukh Nagar area. Remember, one happened right in front of a tiffin center. The other was near a theatre. Blood splatter still here on the road. A grim reminder of what really happened. Most of those injured have been shifted to nearby hospitals. You can see really burnt vehicles, evidence here of that really IED that was placed here. Remember, the DGP and the Chief Minister did visit the spot soon after the incident. The Chief Minister, in fact, has announced a compensation of 6 lakh rupees to the families of those dead.